Whipbird House by Zerni in Australia. Perched on the crest of the ridgeline of what could be Noosa Hinterland's most breathtaking location lies Whipbird. Brutalist in style yet simple in its T-shaped pavilion form, Whipbird is a home that adopts a deeply poetic response to the environment, cultivating a close, meaningful relationship between its inhabitants and the unique and natural surroundings. Nestled in the heart of Doonan, in what is possibly the Sunshine Coast's best-kept secret, Whipbird takes full advantage of the panoramic hinterland and coastal views whilst generating an environment of contemplation and relaxation. The five-bedroom home is broken down into two distinct wings and split across two levels, with landscaped terraces leading out to facilities including a 20m naked mineral pool, a supergrass tennis court built into the natural fall of the land, a bathing court, 3-car garage, 6-car court and cascading courtyard gardens adding layers and depth to the outlook. A total of 16,735 native trees, plants, and ground covers were planted into the property surrounds, enforcing the home's architecture while preserving and enhancing the site's natural character and connection to the environment. Sharing a unique passion and respect for quality materials and finishes, Zerni enlisted the help of a formidable team of designers, suppliers, and collaborators to bring Whipbird to life. This team includes architect of the 2022 HIA Australian Home of the Year winner, Jayden from Minnow Studio, global interior stylist Space Furniture, landscape architects the Conlon Group, Swiss-made VZUG Appliances, Italy's premier travertine producers, Artedomus, handcrafted stone producers Granite Works, timber specialists made by Storey, Natural Brick Company and many more. Upon visiting the site for the first time, developer Jayden Zernich from Zerni was enamored by the location's natural beauty, tranquility, and stunning outlook over the Noosa Hinterland and coastline. The air felt clear, the whipbirds were humming, every sense was stimulated in the most calming, uncontrived way. The vision became clear, to create a secluded and private reprieve from the open surrounds of the hinterland, where nature's beauty is accentuated, and luxurious living is epitomized. I am confident that Whipbird presents a new level of craftsmanship yet to be seen on the Sunshine Coast, said Zernich. The house has a strong tectonic character thanks to the material's expressiveness. The entire ground floor of the house is wrapped in black shiplap cladding by Abodo wood, blending into tonal gray handmade Roman Ludians bricks by Natural Brick Company, light gray granite, and large black-framed windows, which encase the picturesque view. The palette of the home is raw, robust, and hard-wearing, emphasizing the tactile experience of the materials with respect to texture, pattern, color, and geometry. The materials were chosen to integrate the house with the landscape, with the dark walls disappearing into the background of the forest and the light walls above receding against the sky. Ocean blue travertine, originating from a single quarry in Italy and sourced by Artedomus, features heavily throughout the kitchen and living areas. A whopping total of 87.9 tons of rustic granite was supplied by Granite Works, presenting in the form of freestanding hand-carved baths, vanities, tiles, pavers, cobblestones, and pool coping. The floors and walls are adorned in European French oak flooring by timber specialists, made by Storey, and the kitchen and scullery boast state-of-the-art Swiss-made appliances from VZUG, including the cooktop wok, cooktop teppanyaki, and multiple wine cooling fridges.